Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the clip where text will appear. This saves time. Once the project is ready, tap Text, choose Add Text, and watch the font panel load. Use the search bar at the top, type a font name or a style keyword like script or bold if you don't know the exact name. This narrows thousands of options, so you find similar styles faster. Make sure to keep the text layer selected while searching, because Capcut updates the preview live. Once done with a basic search, you refine. Use the preview area to judge legibility on your background. Capcut swaps fonts live so you see scale and spacing instantly. Make sure to try filters or categories, popular, new handwritten, because they reduce noise. If many matches appear, sort by popularity or tap similar fonts to expand options. When you find a candidate, adjust size, line spacing, and color to test contrast. This prevents readability issues across devices. Finish by applying the font and locking or grouping the text layer so you don't lose it during edits. Once applied, export a short test clip and view it on the target device to confirm rendering and spacing. If the font fails to load or looks wrong, first make sure Capcut is up to date, then clear the app cache. If that fails, reinstall. This resolves most font loading glitches, and if it persists, try a nearby alternative with the same weight and X height.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.